What is going on, guys? I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. Today we're going to talk about driving evaluations for beginning drivers. So let's go ahead and get into it. If your instructor's got to intervene when you're driving, this means that you're veering off the road, you're not turning properly. A lot of beginning drivers overturn. If you overturn, you're going to go in the wrong lane. If you come in too fast, you're going to lose control of the vehicle. Next, you want to signal your intention 100 feet, a half a block. A lot of beginning drivers signal too early or too late, so your instructor needs to intervene. So it's 100 feet or half a block. Let's get into it. Speeding. You want to maintain good speed control in your vehicle at all times. A student driver or beginning driver should never be speeding. You want to drive at a speed that is safe and reasonable for the conditions on the road. A dangerous maneuver. You turn, you're making a left turn, you turn and almost cut off a car. That is a dangerous maneuver. Another dangerous maneuver, you're making a right or left turn, you cut off pedestrians. Pedestrians always have the right of way. You strike an object. This could be a curb, this could be a tree. You do not want to strike objects. You want to maintain reasonable control over the car. Next, failure to yield. That is the biggest mistake beginning drivers make. They don't yield for people walking across the street. Imagine driving to school and you have mothers coming in, school buses coming in, parents coming in. It's a huge hostile environment, so you want to yield. Next, let's talk about stopping and starting skills. You never want to slam the brake. You want to have good speed control. You want to maintain adequate distance to slow down really nicely. You want to have smooth accelerations. A lot of beginning drivers tend to hit the gas too hard. They oversteer, they understeer, and they jerk the wheel. You want to do your pre-driving checks. You want to make sure your seatbelt's on. You want to adjust your mirrors. You want to be able to look straight ahead and look to the left just like I'm looking, look to the right just like I'm looking. Let's talk about steering. You want to be balanced at 9 and 3 or 10 and 2. You want to have proper hand-over-hand steering into the turn or push-pull. That's a whole nother segment that we can talk about. So in kind of winding this up, you want to have good visual lead time. You want to identify 15 to 20 seconds ahead of time what a car is doing, what are people doing. You want to adjust prior to turning. You want to come in under 10 miles an hour, turning hand over hand into the turn, hand over hand out. You want to do your regular mirror checks. You're checking the mirror, you're inside, you're outside, just like I'm looking. Hopefully this helps you. I will make another series. If this brought you value, subscribe to my channel. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. Have a great day. Bye, guys.